Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn one chart, okay, or one table. Complete the following verb table. It is verb table. According to instructions, we want to complete this table. Look here. It is a base form. Base form means first form of the verb. This table totally related with verb. Remember this. हा टेबल जो आहे verb शी related आहे. Okay. You want to write in first column base form means first form of the verb. Then simple past. Then you want to write verb second form in this column. Okay. Then past participle. That means you want to write here verb third form. Okay. Past participle means verb third form. Okay. Then you want to write the present participle. That means you want to write VING. Verb first form plus VING. Verb first form plus ING. That is called present participle. Then perfect tense. You want to write here perfect tense. You can use here present tense. Okay. Then you want to write here future tense. It is simple future. Okay. Simple future tense according to or using these words. Okay. Let's start. Look here. The first word is here begin. Okay. Begin base form of the verb. Begin simple past began. I began. I use here this pronoun I. Okay. In this column we want to use here I. This pronoun in whole column. Remember this. I began. Then past participle. Okay. Begin, began, begun. It is the past participle, third form of the verb. Began. Okay. Sorry, begun. And then present participle. That's beginning. Okay. Look here. We add here double N. Okay. BEGINNING. Beginning. It is the present participle. Then the perfect tense. I have begun. Okay. Present perfect tense. I have begun. You can write here the short form of have. Look here. Like this. I have. Okay. Both are correct. You can use here full form. I have begun, and then you can use here I have. It is contracted form or short form of the I have. Okay. And then future. Simple future tense. I will. Okay. It is the short form of will. Double L. Remember this. I apostrophe. Okay. Apostrophe double L. I will begin. It is a simple future tense. According to this column, we want to fill the following chart. Look here. They provide us one verb. Send. Okay. Send. I will send. Now we want to complete here. Send first form base. Send as it is. Then send second form. I sent. I sent. Okay. Second form. We want to use here I pronoun. Okay. Then third form of past participle of send. Sent. Remember this. Sent. 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 Okay. Then present participle sending. Okay. Then next perfect tense. You can use here I have. Short form. You use here I have sent. Verb third form. Okay. I have sent. I have sent. Then I will send already. Okay. Now in third row, look here. I have eaten. They give us present perfect tense. We want to fill the remaining one, or we want to complete the remaining columns. Look here. I have eaten, and the first form of eaten is eat. Eat. Second form simple past ate. Then third form past participle, that is eaten, and present participle eating. Okay. Look here. Eating. Now I have ate. I have eaten, and then future. Look here. Simple future. Simple future tense. I will I will eat. Okay, now the next word. Look here, simple past. I gave. I gave. Then present participle is also given. Okay, that means given. Look here, we want to write the base form of that verb. Gave, that is give. Give, I gave, and here given. Past participle, that is given. Present participle, giving. Perfect. I have. You can use here short form also or also full form. I have given. I have given. And future tense, I will or I shall. Both are right. Okay. I will give. First form of the verb, that is give. Okay. Now the next row. Verb is given reading. That is present participle and first form is read. Read. Then also past participle read. Okay. Reading. Then perfect tense. I have read. And then future tense, simple future, I will or I shall. Both are correct. Okay. Read. Provided we want to complete the remaining one. Okay. Fight. Fight. Fought. F-O-U-G-S-T. Fought. Third form is past participle also. Same. Fighting. Then I have. Short form of the have. Fought. Then I will fight. Okay. Now the next one. Verb is given no. Okay. No, sorry. Verb present perfect tense. I have known. K-N-O-W. K-N-O-W-N. Known. Okay. First form no. Second past simple past tense knew. Then known. Third form of past participle known. Then knowing. Present participle knowing. Then perfect present perfect tense I have known. And simple future I will or I shall. Okay. No. K-N-O-W. No म्हणजे माहित असणे. Okay. Now the next column. Look here. I will put. The first form of the verb. Base form put. Then simple past also put. And also past participle put. Okay. Put. Like cut. The same. That means three form of this verb is same. Put, cut, like this. Okay. Next. Present participle. Putting. Then perfect tense. I have put. I will put. Already given. Okay. Then next word coming. Present participle. You want to hear right here. Come. Came. Simple past, past perfect, come, first form and third form, look here, come, same, then coming, then next, I have come. Okay, when the verb come with, that means this come word with have, this helping verb that indicates the present perfect tense. Okay, look here. I have. Then I will come. Next. Okay. Slept. It is a past participle. We want to write or complete the remaining columns. Look here in first sleep. First form of that verb. Sleep. Slept. It is second form of that verb. Or simple past. Past perfect slept. then present sleeping, 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 then I have slept, I have slept, then future simple, future I will sleep. Verb first form. Then look here. Second form is given. I went. The first form of that verb is go. Go. I went. Simple past. Past perfect or past participle. Okay. Past participle, that is verb third form, that is gone. Okay. Go, went, gone. Then going. It is a present participle. Okay. Present participle. Then perfect tense. I have gone. Then simple future tense. I will go. I will go. Okay. Then last verb. Okay. You want to complete found. Okay. The same thing you want to write here, found. Okay. That is fight. Fight. Then out, out, second and third form, past participle same, fighting. Then you want to add here, okay, present perfect tense. I have fought, and then simple future. I shall or will, both are correct. Fight. First form. In this way, you can complete this chart, verb table. Okay, chart or table with the following verbs. Okay, look here. This form means verb first form. Remember this. Then simple past means verb second form. Okay. Then past participle means verb third form, and VING present participle, perfect tense, present perfect tense, and simple future tense. I hope you understood this table, verb table. Okay, thank you.